Hello there, beautiful soul. Welcome back to White Tiger Qigong's channel. My name is Mai and I will be your instructor for today's session. Are you feeling like your mind is a whirlwind, juggling a million tasks, but can't seem to focus on any of them? Well, you're not alone. In today's fast-paced world, distraction is the new normal. But what if there was a way to break free from the mental noise and unlock a wellspring of calm and clarity? Today, we're embarking on a journey to rediscover focus and concentration with the ancient wisdom of Qigong and meditation. Get ready to explore how these powerful practices can sharpen your thinking like a laser, transform stress into serenity, extend your attention span beyond the 5-second mark, boost your productivity and conquer your day with ease. Ready to unlock your inner focus master? Before we begin, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified when our new videos arrive. Now, prepare a comfortable space and let's begin. Shake your whole body, feeling the energy flow through you. Twist your spine, letting go of any tension. Now begin to shake energetically. Small and fast, releasing built-up stress. Hold the chi. Step out to wider than shoulder width apart, grounding yourself. Move your hips and roll the imaginary ball side to side, balancing your energy. Slowly come up, feeling your core engage. Step in, centering your balance. Twist your arm and look back. Slowly come back, finding your center once more. Twist on the opposite side, stretch your gaze too. With one hand, fingers together, and the other open and flexing. Release tension in your neck, and stretch it. Relax your neck, shoulders, and chest, letting go of any tension you are holding. Roll your head gently, drawing circles with your chin. Reverse the direction, feeling the release continue. Warm your hands and place them on your lower back. Draw circles with your tailbone, gradually spiraling outwards. Now, start to spiral inwards. Coming back to center. Reverse to circles, spiral outwards once more. Now, start to spiral inwards. Coming back to center. Step out to a wider stance, extending your arms. Push your palms outwards, stretching your fingers. Roll your arms from the shoulder blades, loosening any tightness. Reverse the movement, feeling the stretch in your chest and back. Keep pushing your palms outwards, reaching to the sides, and feeling the expansion. Press your palms towards the earth and sky, rooting yourself and reaching upwards. Twist and look back, opening your chest and shoulders. Maintain outward pressure with your palms and stretch your fingers wide. Let's practice focusing on your upper body. First, twist from the bottom of your rib cage, feeling the gentle rotation. Next, twist from your rib cage and then through your shoulder blades, expanding your back. Slowly untwist, finding your neutral alignment. Keep your tailbone grounded and stabilize your lower body. Next, focus on your arms. Raise your arms with palms facing upwards, bring your hands to chest level. Then raise them over your head. Flip your palms to face upwards, and then reach back with extended backwards. Gather it back to the first position. Relax your elbows and bring your hands back to chest level, then continue over your head. Flip your palms again, facing upwards, extend back and return to the center. Let your eyes follow the movement of your hands, focusing on your coordination. Now, let's put it all together. Step out to a horse stance, grounding yourself. Exhale as you twist. Inhale as you extend your arms upwards. Exhale as you reach backwards with your palms. Inhale as you return to center. Continue this breathing sequence with each repetition of the movement. Step in. And now let's close. Take a deep breath in, feeling the peace settling over you. Exhale, let go of any remaining tension and allow your body to rest comfortably. As you step away from your practice, carry the sense of calm and renewed energy into your day. Thank you for joining me in today's session. See you again next time.